everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you that I have crocheted a toys for my cat. Let's get started. My cat really like to play this cardboard. It's one of his toys, like this one. But the cardboard is really easy to break. Every time I throw his cardboard, he will be really unhappy about it. So I decided to crochet a cover for the cardboard. Then I don't need to throw the cardboard, and he can play longer with the cardboard and also with the cover. And if the cardboard is broken, then I can secretly change the cardboard inside the cover. So I'm thinking what kind of cover I should make, and I have an idea, which is I would like to crochet a fish cover for the cardboard, because in his Chinese name is mean a fish, so that's why I would like to build a fish. And while I'm crocheting it, he trying to test it like this. I think he really liked this fish, so I started to finalize it, making the finch and also some fillet of the fish. And let's see the final. You may already seen it from my YouTube source, which is a fish, and inside the fish there is the cardboard inside. And every time he broke the cardboard, I can directly remove this fish cover and change the cardboard to this one. It's really convenient, and I will make more cover for this because it's really easy to make and it's cute. A little fish, and he really likes it. Sometimes he will handle it and fall asleep with this little fish. What kind of cover you think I should make for him? Just comment down below and let me know. I will make more cover for him and make more toys for him.